Morning, everyone. So much going on around the world at the moment. Not if you're paying attention to the MSM, of course, but if we're just on the ground and paying attention and listening to those truth seekers around the world, there's interesting stuff. So my hugs and heart, everything goes out to everyone in Gibraltar and Israel and Austria and our Indigenous here in Australia. I know there's stuff going on elsewhere as well, but those are the things that have been in the forefront for me over the last few days. And hugs and hugs and hugs and hugs to all the mummies around the world with everything going on there. So this is just to send some love to everyone around the planet, to send some love and connection, just to remind everyone that we're all connected, to remind everyone you're not alone, to remind everyone that there is a community out there that really wants us all to feel safe and connected and happy and well in this crazy, 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 crazy time on the planet. Okay, so love, connectedness, and just sort of really helping to get that vibration, raise that vibration. Once again, if you haven't checked out Dr. Bruce Lipton on my Brain Centre at New Leaf Natural Therapies Facebook page, go check him out. Even listen to the first 5 minutes. He's a dynamo. Love him. Fun. Okay. Love and connectedness.